tell you.
I will, yes, I will.
Right, let's go home.
No. Why should we?
Because I can't take this tonight.
It's okay. I'll keep my distance. You get me. It's fine.
Hi, Leanne.
Can I get a white wine and orange juice, please, Steve?
You got it.
Why do Americans say that? You get it? I mean, what?
I'm heading back.
Yeah, I'll see you soon.
Bye, son.
Hey up, Frank. I think this is for you.
Frank Foster, I'm arresting you on suspicion of the rape of Carla Connor.
What, again?
You do not have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not
Step
mention my
down.
question,
Betting Carla,
something
not
which
enough,
you later
Peter.
rely
wish,
on
Frank.
in
They've
court.
cooked this up between
Anything
the two
you
of them.
do
It's as
say
plain
may
as
be
a nose
given
on
in
my
evidence.
face.
Do you understand?
Who knows how long they've been at it, eh? It's bad enough I have to lose my fiancée to an alcoholic bookie, but you have to sling this at top, eh?
Hey, see, this is provocation.
Was it your idea,
Get him
Peter?
out.
Hey, Leanne. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Get him out!
Don't come back.
Yeah, all right.